Hello, my name is Robin Ingli, and I'm the Director of Admissions at the University of Minnesota Law School. Today, I'm going to give you some tips about the application and admission process at Minnesota Law. There are several steps and dates to keep in mind during the application process. Our application opens on September 1st, and we will start reviewing applications in early November. If you want to apply through the Early Decision Program, which is binding, please submit your completed application by December 31st. Early decision candidates receive the same admission and scholarship consideration as regular decision applicants. Early decision applicants receive a decision within 2 weeks of file completion, starting in mid-November. Applying earlier in the cycle is always better than applying later because there are more seats and scholarships available. We encourage you to submit your application by early January to have the best chance for both. March 1st is our deadline for priority consideration for scholarships, and June 1st is the last day our application is open for submission. We advise taking the LSAT, the law school admission test, at least 9 months prior to when you want to enroll in law school. This will help you meet our advised timeline of applying by early January. You will find our application on the Law School Admission Council's website, lsac.org. If you have not already set up an account there, you must do so in order to take the Law School Admission Test, the LSAT, and apply to any law school. lsac.org has many great resources for your law school application process. These include LSAT preparation, choosing a law school, and financing your legal education, just to name a few. LSAC also works as a clearinghouse, where you submit all documents for your application process, and then they disseminate your materials to the law schools where you are applying. When you are ready to apply to Minnesota Law, you must submit the following items in order to complete your application and have it reviewed by the admissions committee. Of course, the application itself. Also, a personal statement. Please watch our personal statement webinar to learn more about this required component of the application. A resume. This should be 1 to 2 pages long, detailing your professional work history, internships, awards, or accolades. If you have room for a hobbies and interests section, this will provide another way for the committee to get to know more about you and your unique attributes. Supplemental statements. These can be required in some instances, such as explaining a character and fitness issue like a legal violation or an academic problem, or they can be optional if you choose to submit a diversity essay or to provide more details about some other aspect of your background. Please watch our supplemental statement webinar to find out more about them. Your Credential Assembly Service Report, or CAS report, will contain all your transcript details, LSAT scores, and letters of recommendation. Minnesota law requires 1 letter of recommendation and will accept up to 2. These letters should be submitted by individuals who know you well and can speak to your ability to be successful in a rigorous academic environment. If you are still in college, we strongly advise getting a letter from a professor. Letters from employers or internship supervisors are also acceptable. Letters from family members and close family friends are not advised. Once you've submitted your application and it's complete, it will be sent to the admissions committee for a holistic review. The committee will closely read all the materials you submit and not just look at your test score or GPA. The committee is looking for leadership, community involvement and engagement, strong writing skills, academic ability, and unique experiences. These are just a few of the qualities we seek in members of our student body. We will do our best to send you a decision within 6 to 8 weeks, whether it be admit, deny, or waitlist. If you haven't heard from us within 8 weeks, please feel free to contact the admissions office. If you are admitted and are eligible for a scholarship, you will receive the scholarship offer at the time of admission. Please watch our scholarship and financial aid webinar to learn more about these scholarships and other awards. We invite you to visit the law school and learn more about our community. Join us for an information session. Check out the Student Life webinar or contact admissions to ask us your questions. We are here to assist you through the application process. Thank you for your interest in Minnesota law. Please visit our FAQ and how to apply pages for more details on the application process. And again, feel free to reach out to the admissions team with your questions. We look forward to reviewing your application soon.